All right. Well, good morning. Here we are on this beautiful Tuesday, and today we're working with expressions. All right. This was a short unit that we had right before Christmas break. So I know that maybe we forgot, but we're going to remember, right? So let's do it. Let's hop to it. All right. It's the last day of March 31st, 2020. All right. I'm going to show you two. I'm going to show you number one and number three. All right, let's do number one first. So number one says 4 less than the quantity of 8 times n. All right, so let's break this down. 4, we know what 4 stands for, right? Less than. What does that stand for? It stands for subtraction, all right? The quantity of 8 times n, right? The quantity of 8 times n means the answer of 8 times n, okay? So this is one that we talked about so many times in class when we had 4 less than, right? If I told you that 4 was less than 10, how would you write it? Like this? Or like this? Which one of here says 4 is less than 10? This one, right, boys and girls? Because 4 is less than 10. You're taking 4 away from 10. So whenever you see 4 less than, 5 less than, you know it's subtraction, and you know that it has to come second, okay? So how do we write that? Well, you know it's going to be subtraction. You know you're going to be subtracting 4, all right? So we got that part. Now, the quantity of 8 times n. 8 times n. 8 multiplied by n, right? So you're just writing it like 8 multiplied by n. And that's your answer. That's what we're doing, all right? You're just creating an expression. And remember, an expression does not have an equal sign, right? So 4 less than the quantity of 8 times n. 8 times n minus 4, right? If n was 1, what would this equal? 4. Very good. All right? Expressions. Replacing numbers with letters. Replacing words with expressions. We're taking this big old sentence and we're just making it into this. All right? Let's look at number 3. The square of m reduced by 49. Square of m reduced by 49. All right? So, m, we know it's a variable. Reduced. What's reduced stand for? Subtraction. All right, this one is a little different from this. That's why I picked this, because this has to be written backwards because it's 4 less than. But this one is just written as you would read it, okay? So the square of m. Do you remember what squares are? What if I said to the second power? What if I said to the little 2, right? The square of m. So what does that look like? It's m. And then you're just squaring it, aka you're putting the little 2. Right? Reduced by 49. We already said reduced was subtraction. Right? And then you're just reducing it by 49. And that's your answer. All right? When we use expressions, we're just taking words and we're making it like this. Okay? We're reducing the word sentence and we're making it into a number sentence. All right? Remember, keywords, quotient means division. Okay? Reduce, subtraction, times, multiplication, sum, addition. Okay? Remember those keywords. And remember, if you need help, don't just say, I need help. Say, hey, Mr. DeSalvo, I need help with so-and-so, right? Be specific on what you need, all right? I hope this helps. Have a great day. Remember, if you have any questions, just put them up in the Google class. Bye-bye.